Hello, y'all. Tonight we'll be unboxing the Grado Labs box of headphones. You know what I'm talking about. That's what you're here for. That's what was on the thumbnail. But first, a word from our sponsor. Granola kazoos. They're the best kazoos around since 2022. You know, they're built out of material and they sound with noises. So with that out of the way, let's get to the unboxing. But first, remember to like and subscribe and smash that like button before you subscribe or after. But remember to subscribe and hit that bell for notification if you want them. But if you don't want them, hit it anyway so you get all the notifications when I do new videos, when I go live. And hit me up on social media. You know, here is my Discord server. Let's get down there. We're getting funny out there, you know. Ha ha ha. Okay. Anyway, y'all know what the deal is. It's all in the description. So just click on the links down there and you have a good time. Okay. 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 Like and subscribe and smash that like button.